Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard techno. First, establish a powerful kick drum, typically ranging from 140 to 150 BPM, as the foundation of your track. Next, layer in sharp percussive elements such as claps, snares, and closed hi-hats to build rhythmic intensity. Crucially, apply distortion and saturation liberally to achieve that signature raw and aggressive hard techno sound. This initial setup is vital for capturing the genre's energy. Now let's dive into sound design. Focus on creating dark, industrial synth leads, often using subtractive synthesis to craft those sharp, piercing tones. Don't shy away from incorporating noise and metallic textures. These elements are key to achieving an abrasive, gritty feel. Remember to automate filter cutoffs and resonance extensively, adding crucial dynamic movement and evolving textures to your sounds. This makes your track feel alive. For arrangement, focus on building relentless tension with long risers and impactful drops that hit hard. It's essential to maintain a consistent, driving rhythm throughout the entire track, keeping the energy high and listeners engaged. Introduce and remove elements gradually, rather than abruptly, to expertly control the flow of energy and create a compelling journey. This careful progression is a hallmark of effective hard techno. Finally, for mixing and mastering, prioritize clarity and punch, ensuring your kick drum cuts through powerfully. Master your track for maximum loudness, but be careful not to sacrifice too much dynamic range, as hard techno still benefits from some impact. Experiment with different effects like bit crushing or phasers to add unique character. And hey, if you're looking for other great deals, check the description below for links, including the new Kindle Paperwhite. Happy producing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.